For most Detroit students, this first full week of summer vacation is all about, kicking back. But, for a select few, this is serious business.
Well, they're learning lessons that could change their lives and just might save yours.
7 Action News reporter Kim Russell tells us about a special camp in Lansing.
You're going to be telling stories about stuff you've done this week for the rest of your life.
23 students at the Michigan State Police Leadership Training learned life lessons in a classroom.
The test. There you go. All right.
And potentially life-saving lessons in the field. They trained for emergencies such as a fire.
Good job.
These young leaders in training are not emergency responders. They are Detroit high school students.
As an inner city youth in the city of Detroit, we don't get a lot of chances like this.
Detroit police selected the young leaders taking part in this training. Police officers and troopers are the instructors.
We try to bridge the gap between the community and law enforcement.
So they see that we regular people, and not only are we regular people, but we actually care.
If we make a difference in one young man's life today, it's worth it.
These youth get the chance to train at the Michigan State Police Training Academy, right where our troopers train for their jobs, and they learn a newfound respect for law enforcement.
Seeing what they have to go through just to become a police officer, nobody gets to wear that badge, just anybody.
Left, right.
This leadership training camp teaches discipline with structure and order. The young men taking part say it makes them feel as if they can accomplish anything, even their biggest dreams, as long as they're willing to work hard and never give up.
I hope to achieve the position of mayor one day.
I want to be a doctor when I grow up.
In Lansing, Kim Russell, 7 Action News.